And I can't tell you that the experience and my journey so far has been so good.
IBS, severe diarrhea, and massive gut issues to the point that I could not digest anything. I had severe indigestion issues, bloating, cramps, and vomiting. I would even, like, I have gone to every extent first on my own before trying out Madam, and I would finish eating dinners by 7:30, go for a walk, exercise, drink water, do everything. And despite that, I would wake up at 2:30 in the night and start puking everything. This is severe indigestion. I can tell you for sure she has very effectively removed my problem at a root level.
15 to 52, I came to 160 and 140. Be down to lower my sugar level at least by 20-30% more than that. Earlier I used to knickknacks, snacks and all that, namkeen, ye wo.
Improving.
Headache. I had frequent headaches. I had acidity. I had indigestion, which I never knew that I have indigestion. And other minor things, skin related issues and everything. So I wanted to fix all that as well. So in a whole, I knew that this course will fix everything for me. In the first few days, I could see that I'm feeling light from within. I'm feeling energetic as well. I could really see the difference. My cravings were completely gone. I was addicted to sugar. I used to have cold drink and chocolates and everything.
बहुत अच्छा है मैम.
I didn't have any clue, but it was like in urtic area we have itching all over our body, maybe on our neck or something, or stomach, head, anywhere. मेरे को गुस्सा आना शुरू हो जाता था, and it was so severe कि मैं और कुछ भी नहीं कर पाती थी. We are directed to our goal with a strategy.
And that was the first time in my life I believed that, oh my God, I can actually try. I can actually do a trek.
Being myself during that time, it was like only work and work. So that impacted my life very huge. From then onwards, I started having my stomach pain. That's when I started getting better. I started having confidence in my life for the first, from then. And after those things, I stopped the antacids slowly. Now I sustain without antacids. I was very confident that I will not have this pain or any constipation now. I will be sure, okay, this is happening. So before my body started, I am able to understand what is my body wanting to.
So I could see that I'm not craving for sugar at all. Any day we'll face a problem, we know what to do. You have guided us in such a beautiful way and such a simple way.
The greatest thing that worked for me was my energy in the body. I could feel that I have so much energy in my body to do everything else. I was sleeping early. I had the same time during the day, but I felt I could do more. I felt energetic. I felt more alive. But to my surprise, I did not took these things initially, and I had the energy to do the trek. And it was not like the trial where you can easily follow. It was like you have to find your own way. And I was able to climb. It's not like I was not feeling tired, but my body has more stamina to lead them. So everyone else was lagging behind, but I was the one who was able to do it quickly. I climbed quickly, and I was able to come down quickly.
To not think twice before joining up for a good nutritional course. Anyone who's tried and tested everything out there but has failed miserably, joining her course is a wonderful idea.
I must thank you, Deepali, from the core of my heart. Heart and brain are connected to each other. Bloating problem has reduced. It has changed me in a very positive way. It's about all the family members, they benefited from.
बहुत सारी problems अब नहीं है जो पहले हुआ करती थी. And we all need strategy to move forward. The second best part is that we are given with the recipes. We are given with everything in that.
This is it. Gut health is everything. That person, the person who does the course, will understand it. So when I did your course and everything, I understood so much about my health.
So one thing I would mention is, I was like, I have to cook. Now I started loving cooking. I should say thank you because you are the one who guided me. I thought my mom would never let me cook in my life.